Moto Edge 20 and Moto Edge 20 Fusion. So these two mobiles are released today in India. In this video I'll talk about this Moto Edge 20. So you go outside. This Moto Edge 20 mobile comes with a 6.67 inches of 144 Hz refresh rate OLED HDR10 plus certified Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection display. And for the processor, this is the first mobile which comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G, which is a 6-nanometer based 5G processor. When we talk about the 5G, it comes with a 13 bands of 5G. Yes, it is also an octa-core processor. You can also game on this mobile. And when we talk about the variants, this mobile is available in two variants. Those are 8GB RAM 128 and 8GB RAM 256GB variants with no expanded memory, I think. And when we talk about the operating system, this mobile runs on Android version 11 with Motorola UI. And when we talk about the cameras, this mobile also comes with a great camera system. 108 megapixels of main wide angle camera and a 16 megapixels of secondary ultra wide, 80 megapixels of third telescopic zoom camera. Total of 3 cameras. And when we talk about the front facing, it comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera also. And when we talk about the battery, so here in this section, battery section, Motorola has compromised that this mobile comes with a 4000 mAh or smaller, significantly smaller battery, but it supports 30 watts of fast charge, just 30 watts. And what's the biggest thing is it comes with a charger, cable and TPU case included in the box with this mobile. I'm saying this after watching a lot of unboxings of big YouTubers. So this mobile also comes with features like in-display fingerprint scanner. When we talk about the connectivity issues, this comes with a carrier aggregation, and this mobile also comes with a Wi-Fi 6E, which supports 2.5 GHz and 5 GHz bands, and Bluetooth 5.0, which is the top end variant, and this is the top end feature. And this mobile also comes with loudspeaker, not stereo, and this mobile also comes with a 3.5 jack. Yes, so that's the thing we are missing in this mobile. And it comes with aluminum frame and glass front and plastic back. So these are the things we need to keep in mind when we're going to buy this mobile. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile will be available in 3 colors. Those are frosted gray, frosted white and frosted some other color. I will leave the colors in the description box down below with a buying link also. If you want to buy this mobile, buy it from there and also make me some generate money, you know. And when we talk about the other features like subscribing and liking, so do this. And when we talk about the features like this mobile price, this mobile will be priced at 29,999 rupees, almost 30,000 rupees. So for that price range, no, I won't recommend this mobile for buying. So that's the mobile, and here I am telling the features, so watch it and enjoy.